In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a Dropbox folder. This is a useful feature if you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your important files, ensuring that only those with the password can access them. So let's dive straight into the process. First, you need to log into your Dropbox account, open your web browser, navigate to dropbox.com, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a section labeled All Files. Click on it to view all the files and folders you currently have stored in Dropbox. Next, let's locate the specific file or folder you wish to protect. Hover your cursor over its name and you'll see a Share button appear. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal various sharing options available to you. Now look for the gear icon, which represents link settings, and click on it to open this menu. You'll now see a couple of tabs labeled Link for Viewing and Link for Editing. Depending on whether you want others to view or edit the file, select the appropriate tab. This step is crucial because it determines the type of access others will have. After you've made your selection, it's time to turn on the password protection feature. You'll see an option that says Require a Password. Toggle this option to the On position. This action activates the password protection feature, making it possible for you to set a password. It's important to choose a password that is both strong and memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols usually works best for enhanced security. Once you've decided on a password, type it into the designated field. Be sure to double check your input for any typos or errors, as you'll need to provide this password to anyone you want to have access to this file or folder. Finally, to save all the changes you've made, click the Save button. This action will finalize the password protection process, ensuring that your selected Dropbox file or folder is now safeguarded by the password you set. And there you have it. You've successfully added a password to your Dropbox folder, enhancing its security. Remember to share the password only with those you trust and keep it stored in a safe place. Thanks for watching and happy securing your files.